Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the neon function on your pictures on the Facetune application, meaning that you can reposition the lighting of your on your pictures. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and select a picture that you want to edit. Tap on that one and then slide to the right side of the screen down below until you find this neon option. Here you should select the color of it on this slide in the right side of the screen. And after that you can select whether you would like it to be on the left, on the center, on the right side, or randomly. As you can see, the center controls the position and color of the center light. You can use the slider in the middle of the screen to turn up the brightness. And you should position this circle to the relevant part so that you can reposition the lighting. That's how you can adjust it. Feel free to change the color of it and the position, so you can change it like this quite easily. And you can use the slider as well in the middle of the screen to adjust the light. So if you are satisfied with the result, click on the checkmark icon down below to save your changes. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.